problems in the streets again, drowning in the violence. It's getting pretty tense. A lot of anger in the faces I see, a lot of bitterness, communal emptiness. Don't trust the water friend, chemicals hide with the skeletons. Don't trust their false pretense, counterfeit lies are your best defense. I say
Luar biasa sekali tentunya pada malam hari ini ya.
Yang saya ucapkan selamat datang di acara Pro Warriors Music Arena 2018 yang dipersembahkan oleh Surya Pro dari PT Kuda Gerah TBK.
we got issues that we can't change quickly as we'd like to, as we need to. And I'm worried it will backspin, pulling out the linchpin, leaving us victims. Don't trust the world. Past the point of no return, it's the only way left to go. Can't keep talking while the years go by. Gotta go whole hard this time. You gotta go whole hard. You gotta go whole hard this time. You gotta go whole hard this time. I said